Hello, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to read Mrs. Wishy-Washy. And I know I said earlier in our daily message that we were reading Mrs. Wishy-Washy today. And some of you might have already read this story in pre-K. And that's okay, friends, because you might learn something new. Okay, so let me put this over here like that. And we are going to read this big book. Okay? Read this big book. And it's hard for Mrs. Hensley to get this adjusted to where you can see me and the big book. Okay, Mrs. Wishy-Washy. And the author of this story and the illustrator is Joy Cowley. She has written a lot of stories. Okay, a lot of stories that Mrs. Hensley really likes. Okay, so Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Mrs. Wishy-Washy by Joy Cowley. There is our title page. Okay. Oh, lovely mud, said the cow, and she jumped in it. Oh my goodness, the cow is jumping in the mud. Oh, lovely mud, said the pig, and he rolled in it. Oh my goodness, the pig is rolling in the mud. Oh, lovely mud, said the duck, and she paddled in it. Ooh, what are all these animals doing? They are getting dirty, aren't they? Along came Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Just look at you, she screamed. Uh-oh. What do you think? In the tub you go. In went the cow. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. Ooh, he's getting a bath. In went the pig. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. In went the duck. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. Ooh, they're all getting a bath, aren't they? That's better, said Mrs. Wishy-Washy, and she went into the house. Away went the cow, away went the pig, away went the duck. Oh, I wonder where they went. Let's find out. Oh, lovely mud, they said. Oh my goodness, what happened? Oh, they are getting in the mud again. Do you think that is going to upset Mrs. Wishy-Washy? What is she going to have to do again? Give them a bath? I think you might be right. Is she going to be happy or is she going to be upset at them again? What do you think? Okay, Mrs. Hensley's going to read this story one more time. And I want you to be thinking about your favorite part of the story. First of all, the characters. The characters are either people or animals that are in the story. Okay, so the characters in the story would be who? Mrs. Wishy-Washy is a character, isn't she? Yes. The cow, the pig, and the duck. They're all characters inside the story, aren't they? And where did this story take place? Where the story took place would be the setting. That would be called the setting. Where did the story take place? Where were they in the story? Where do you think they were? They were outside Mrs. Wishy-Washy's house, weren't they? Outside of her house. Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Remember, you are looking for your favorite part of the story. Okay, so let me turn this down just a little bit. Here we go. Oh, lovely mud, said the cow, and she jumped in it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, lovely mud, said the pig, and he rolled in it. Oh my goodness, that's funny. But I wouldn't want to be there, Mama, would you? Oh, lovely mud, said the duck, and she paddled in it. Along came Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Just look at you, she screamed. Oh, she does not look happy. In the tub you go. In went the cow. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. In went the pig. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. In went the duck. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. That's better, said Mrs. Wishy-Washy, and she went into the house. So we know that the setting is outside her house, right? She didn't give him a bath inside her house because she gave him a bath outside her house and then she went into the house, right? So it's outside her house somewhere. Away went the cow. Away went the pig. Away went the duck. Oh, lovely mud, they said. Now, Mrs. Hensley wants you to think about your favorite part of Mrs. Wishy-Washy. And what you are going to do is draw me a picture of your favorite part. You have two choices, okay? You may draw me a picture on the iPad, okay, using your drawing tools, and then record what you drew. Okay, you can do that. I do want to know which one was your favorite part, so I want you to tell me what your favorite part of Mrs. Wishy-Washy was as well. So, you're drawing a picture, and you can do that on your iPad, or if you have paper at home and you want to draw with pencil at home and color with crayon, and then hit the add response button and take a picture of it with your iPad and send it to me that way. You can put it on the template. You can do that as well. So you can either draw me a picture on Seesaw and tell me what your favorite part was. So you're drawing a picture and telling me what your favorite part was. Or you can draw a picture on a piece of paper at home with pencil and color it and then upload a picture and tell me, even if you upload a picture that you've drawn on paper, you still need to use the microphone to tell me what your favorite part of Mrs. Wishy-Washy was, okay? So I am looking so forward to your responses on your favorite part of Mrs. Wishy-Washy. I hope you guys have a marvelous Monday and have fun drawing your picture of Mrs. Wishy-Washy and your favorite part. Have an awesome day, friends, okay? Bye-bye.